What's poppin' YouTube gang members? Welcome back to CTV, where the limit is giving it the grind, running across the sky. And don't forget to like, comment, and glide to that subscribe button. It's your boy King, aka the man with the plan for the land.
And I'm Daryus P, and we back with some more Demon Slayer Mugen Train, episode number 7. In the last episode, Rengoku, man.
Oh, I thought you were saying the last episode. Like, this is the last. This is the last.
Oh, this is the last episode. But in this episode, set your heart ablaze. First of all, we're in the last episode. That boy Rengoku ran into somebody that was
trouble. That's
and he a Hashira.
He a Hashira, and he find the upper 3 demon right there. Third powerful demon.
Yeah, he the 4th power, not counting Musan.
Yeah. Musan, so. And right now, this shit is unfair, bro. Cause he getting hit. It ain't like he like not hitting them and shit like that. He hit him.
Boy, just heal too fast.
But it don't matter. Like, yo, he gonna hit right back. And you gotta just go ahead and cut off his head. But right now, my boy playing with him. Like, he laughing while fighting. He's having too much fun.
This is a fun fight. Yeah, ain't he trying to get Rengoku to come join him?
Yeah, that's the only reason I don't think I don't think Rengoku can, because he's like, bro, only outcome of this fight, you gonna die.
Right.
I done already killed plenty of Hashira. He really said, like, bro, you the first flame Hashira out here.
I ain't never killed a flame Hashira.
So you mean you just out here killing Hashira? You like that? But we know how strong the Hashira is.
Yeah.
So, man, this guy here, bro,
and this is number 3.
Number 3.
2 and 1 gotta be
ridiculous.
And we done seen what Rengoku do to people.
But
what he didn't do to demons.
Cause I looked it up. I think Rengoku like number 5 on the strongest Hashiras.
Yeah.
So they top 3 versus 5th. But I mean, I don't think.
I mean, the gap shouldn't be that far.
Man, this shit don't even that. I mean, cause really. They gonna always have the advantage because they can heal. You gotta cut their head off. You cut anything off a human, and that bitch ain't going back.
Yeah. He healing. The other demons, they take some time to come back. You hear him, he just
right back
and fight. You gotta get to his neck.
Yeah. So the last episode, he broke Rengoku ribs. He punched his eye out. And right now, everybody looking like, bro, I don't know. He stepped back, got the bleed, none dropping on the thing. Tanjiro and Inosuke can't help him because they gonna be in the way.
They too slow.
Can't even see what the fuck really going on. They can see, but they can't react to it. You know what I'm saying? They know Rengoku is basically losing the fight right now. And I can't say that we predict that anybody can beat Rengoku, but
I definitely didn't see this coming.
But I said, hey, think you Billy the Badass to
you meet him.
Billy the Badass to pull up, like, what's up? So,
we'll go ahead and get into the next episode.
Come on.
Yeah, Rengoku or maybe hopefully other Hashira will pull up or something.
Come at me! That boy said, come at me! Please?
Ooh. Almost. Gotta be quicker than that.
He got that arm again.
Wait, is that it? Did he win?
What is you saying?
Yeah, blood dropping everywhere.
Damn. Not Rengoku though, bro.
Don't you see that fighting to death in that frail human body will never measure up to mine?
You ain't lying.
Those impressive attacks that you inflicted upon me have already healed completely.
Immediately.
On the other hand,
like he attacking them and hitting them, but
eye, shattered ribs, damage to the internal organs.
Shattered ribs, not even terrible. They just broke.
If you were a demon, you'd heal in the blink of an eye, and those wounds would be but mere scratches. In the end, a human can never surpass a demon. I want to go help him.
I knew it was him. You can barely walk. Can't even stand up.
Damn, bro.
Where's the Netsu and
Like, you see Nate passed out.
Ooh. Oh, you thought it was over with?
Oh my lord.
I will see my duty fulfilled. No matter what it takes. No
Boy,
one
still
shall
in a
die
good
here.
mood.
Goku, man.
I'll flame breathing. Esoteric art.
Derek art. Ooh, the animations. Oh, he's scared.
Wow.
He
Now
impressed.
you have to become a demon.
Yeah.
Just imagine it.
Yeah.
We'd be able to fight each other for the rest of eternity.
Whoa,
Heart ablaze.
whoa.
Overcome your limits.
But he got fire inside his body.
Kyojuro Rengoku. The ninth form.
That shit is so epic, bro.
Rengoku!
Ninth
Your
form.
heart ablaze.
Destructive death. Annihilation type.
Annihilation type.
Ah!
Look at the animation, bro.
The speed. Oh, he turns.
Oh my god. Flame dragon. Damn, he just stopped that
And he's
shit.
still laughing like it ain't.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
All the way.
Get that out of here.
Another one.
Oh yeah, you got him. No. Oh, he turned it up. He turned it back. But what did that do? Did he? I
He
mean,
spit his head in hell.
but
It
did
look
do that
like-
kill him?
My man said his whole heart on fire, his whole inside of his body on fire.
He went.
Oh, he pushed through him. Oh, bro.
You must know this wound will kill you. Save yourself. Save that you'll become a demon.
And this man just healing right back, bro. That quick.
Bro, not Rengoku, man. Yeah, he don't even want him to die.
Kyojuro? Yes, what is it, Mother?
Oh, life from the
I want to
life
ask
before
you
his
Oh,
eyes.
this their mama.
And I want you to answer honestly.
The red eyes, boy.
You must never use that God-given strength to bring harm to mankind. Or for your own selfish desires.
Mama Dukes.
It is the duty of those born strong to help those who may be less fortunate. A responsibility you must carry onward
She
with
knew.
due purpose.
Yeah, he different, man.
Be sure.
Caught him when he was a young
you
child.
never. I don't have much time left.
Yeah.
But she
I
knew.
guess she was
Having
sick, man.
such a strong, gentle child was a true blessing. I believe in you.
I hate when animes do this, bro.
Gotta make you cry and shit.
Yo, bro.
Hold on, you still ain't done.
Still going.
You mean you thought it was over
Set
with?
your heart ablaze, bro.
It
Yes.
was I who
Let's
was
go.
blessed to have been born to such a woman.
My
as
man
you.
got a whole arm in his stomach.
Ah!
Oh, let's go. No, get that out of here.
What unbelievable strength!
On my life.
Even after I've skewered
You ain't
his body
stronger
with
than
my
me. You just
arm,
can heal.
Why can't I pull my arm out?
Boy, he tightened his core.
I won't let you escape.
Nah, Goku's different.
I won't let go. Not till I remove your head from your shoulders.
Bro, Goku, baby, man.
Burn.
Let's go, baby.
I'm cutting your head off or you burning.
Wait, he knows Scan yet. This shit, he
Okay,
ain't
just
hurt.
sitting there.
He knows can't move.
Yeah.
If we don't help him now, it'll be too late.
That was pulling.
Ooh, let's go. You done. You fucking done.
Oh, he just.
No. He got away. The sword broke out.
I've got to find sanctuary from the sunlight!
Man, hell no.
And he out of there.
No,
Man.
you can't. Okay. Okay, Tanjiro, what's up?
That took too long! I've got to get away from the sun!
He done. Bitch!
No, you know.
Where you going? But they don't do shit though. You can
Try to
hear.
slow him down a little bit.
I'm not done with you, coward. Turn and face me.
Yeah,
Stunning.
that's that boy.
The hell are
You
you?
better remember him.
I'm not running away from you! I'm running from the sun!
Running for you.
Besides, this battle's already been decided! With a wound like
Man,
that,
he still got an
you'll die
arm in his
before long.
body.
Don't run away, you bastard! a coward! A coward! Mr. Rengoku is stronger than you'll ever hope to be!
Man, now they finna hit us with the
You didn't win
music.
against him! He kept everyone safe! He fought to the very end, so no one would die! You're the one who lost! Rengoku is the true victor!
Damn, boy.
Yeah, he wins. Because he can heal. Like,
Yo,
if you
that's
can
the only
heal,
reason.
Rengoku was winning that.
Damn, but I feel you, bro. Damn. But can he do the little him? Oh, not that big ass hole in his body, bro.
He got a hole in his body. They ain't no.
They
You would
think they were
reopen your
true.
wound.
Eat
He still
and
think
that
about
would be very
Kenshiro.
bad. You dying, my young Commodore, would truly spell my defeat.
Commodore. Tenjiro. Commodore.
Come here, lad. Let us speak one last time.
This man got a whole arm. First of all, you talking with an arm.
Man, bro.
My old residence. You should go pay it a visit. There are notes left by the previous Flame Hashira there. I recall my father used to read them often, but I'm afraid I don't know their contents myself.
You never read them?
Within those notes,
Oh,
you may
shit.
find the
That
dance
shit-
you mentioned.
The son killing the arm.
The Hinokami Kakura.
Ah.
When I think the arm was kind of keeping him alive while I was in there.
Can you heal up with a breathing technique?
No. Very soon, I'll be dead.
With that hole like that, bro.
We got a hole.
I have a younger brother named Senjuro. Please tell him to follow his heart,
Damn, boy.
Tell my
He
father.
no escape like damn.
that I want him to look
You
after
cry?
himself.
He probably is crying under that mask.
Your sister shed blood to protect the people inside that train from demons. And anyone who does that, regardless of what is said to the contrary, is a rightful member of the Demon Slayer Corps.
She
But
was moving too.
On everything.
So if you are feeling disheartened, that you are somehow not enough, set your heart ablaze.
But I might get that tatted, bro. Set your heart
Set your heart
ablaze.
ablaze.
Any other Hashira would have done the same as I. Young Kamado. Young Boar. Boy of Yellow.
I keep the sun off of
You must continue to grow.
Y'all gonna do something to
And
make me laugh.
eventually, you will lend your aid by becoming the next Hashira.
Yeah. All three of them. Damn, Rengoku. He's probably the most likable Hashira, bro. Oh, that's his mama. Damn, it's over with. You saying your mama, bro.
I'm so proud of you, my son.
Same.
That's all he wanted to hear.
Man, no mamas will do it, bro. Damn, Rengoku. That's it right there. How you gonna say
R.I.P. Rengoku,
in
man.
peace, bro? Fucking legend, bro.
As soon as I managed to break through one wall, it feels like I just hit an even higher, thicker wall.
I know how that feels.
I'm still here fumbling around in the dark. How can I ever? Is becoming someone like him even possible for me?
You say he believe in you, bro. Yes, it is. No escape crime, bro.
Stop blubbering like a little baby!
Knew that was coming.
This kid out here can't die drunk. He's really pissing me off! He already said he believes in you, so you just have to worry about how to get there!
Yeah.
When you're crying too. I can see all the tears coming out of that headpiece of yours.
Yeah, buddy.
Not this ass that. Ah, you know, hey. What up for her? I'll hurt too, cuz.
Come on, let's go train our asses off!
Let's go. See, that's why I say he's like Vegeta on some shit, bro.
Let's go train. Make sure this never happen again.
Damn, boy,
what
everybody,
happened.
yeah, he's gonna go spread the news out. But even a crow crying, bro. That's Rengoku for you, bro.
Is that right? Mr. Rengoku has...
Damn.
An upper rank demon. Even Rengoku couldn't kill it.
Yeah, Rengoku was strong as hell now, so.
I won't believe it.
Yeah, boy, I said, I can't believe it.
Now Rengoku.
What you gonna say?
Is that so?
That's it?
Is that one way? No emotion.
Is that so? Shit, okay.
Not even a single one of those 200 passengers lost their
There was
lives?
200 people on that
He
train.
did a splendid job
200.
indeed. I feel no sadness. My life will soon reach its end as well.
Damn, what is wrong with you?
Goku!
Set your heart ablaze.
Damn, boy.
But I'm not gonna listen to it. Make sure. Long ass outro.
Tribute to all that Rengoku shit in the background.
Man, like we kind of like foresaw it. Like you can tell after the last
Somebody, I
episode.
didn't think he was gonna die. I thought somebody was gonna come. Or I don't know.
No, at the beginning, I was like, yeah, this over with. But then when he started fighting, and I saw my boy, he turned all the way up.
He in trouble. That's why the demon was like so impressed. He got shattered ribs. I put out through all that pain and eternal bleeding and shit. He's still like bro, ain't no quitting.
I don't know if knows. Nah, he still was gonna, cause he had already punched through him. Damn, he punched through him.
Through his ass. And he was like, bro, hurry up and let me change it to a demon. You can't win for this one.
Yeah, you gonna die from this.
Even the demon like that Rengoku, bro. Come on, Demon Slayer. You really kill Rengoku? This is the most we got from Mahasha too. We seen a little bit.
From two-tone, but besides,
Yeah, it was just popping up and chopping the head off. That's it.
yeah, we ain't really got to know other Hashira.
See, she know a little bit. And that was just like,
Oh yeah, she did. She poured her heart out to when I was on the roof that time.
I'm talking about like fighting guys. Yeah, he in like screen time.
But this much, no. And as soon as we get to know one,
I was like, bro, this probably one of my favorite characters type shit. Like, so how he just always bringing folks up.
yeah.
Bring out his energy is crazy. Anybody come around like, bro, see, it's great, tasty.
My boy brought all the meals.
All the food good. And then when the demon come up, it hold up serious.
Yeah. His whole demeanor changed.
I ain't blinking. Them years. Man. Oh, bro. I don't know though. Like, I think the only good thing will come for this, Tanjiro ain't no people death. And they got to see an upper 3 demon.
Yeah.
First hand.
And they know how strong they gotta be to fight them now.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that should go.
So they gonna have to train. They probably gonna train until they get to that level.
Crazy. What it is, they want revenge. They gonna want revenge.
They gonna find them first.
Shit, he looking for them.
Yeah, but they ain't Hashira yet, so. No, yeah, he looking for Tanjiro anyway.
So Tanjiro, all 3 of them stay together, so
He better find Tanjiro now.
better. That's one thing he better.
He better find him down to that boy.
But he probably go back to the headquarters to train. So if he can pull up there,
yeah, cause he
hurt.
Yeah, he
jump his ass.
definitely can't go there.
And then the leader though, he trying to find Muzan.
Yeah.
He's like, bro, if I see Muzan, go ahead, over with. I'm gonna kick his ass.
I'm excited about seeing Muzan, so they really. But then he just said he finna die. He finna die soon, so he needs somebody gonna be that can kill Muzan.
Yeah.
That shit was number 3. Muzan got stupid strong.
I want to see like 2 Like imagine Rengoku and Two-Tone fighting together.
Two hot. Oh yeah, they
With
were.
that water and fire. Ooh, that shit was bad. I bet that's better what Tanjiro will be.
Water.
Cause he already can, but I think it's different. It's
a different type of fire that he got. I just can't wait to see what this still gonna happen next. But alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for the Mugen Train arc.
Period. That's it.
Man, I'm just still went out with a bang, but I don't wanna. R.I.P. Rengoku. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe too.
And you got any suggestions, drop Rengoku in the comment section.
We'll see y'all in the next one.
Peace.